Hey there. I just thought I would send you through a video of me trying to run through the funnel just to show you where I'm getting stuck and which troubles I'm having. I've, I did have separately have two funnels, one for this free course and one for the Tripwire product. Now I thought I would combine them into the one funnel to help me um, just help with the whole the walkthrough of it, and I thought that I'd be able to fix it, but I still am running into a couple of issues. So I'll just run through it with you at the moment and how it's all set up. So obviously this is the landing page here with the one-time offer upsell for the Tripwire, and the order page for the Tripwire, and confirmation for the Tripwire. This is obviously the membership access, and then this is the membership area. In the membership area I have two sections. So there is the beginner's guide, which is the first 5 lessons, which that should all be free. So that should be free and unlocked when someone opts in this first page on the landing page there. The ad hack toolbox, those second 8 lessons, that's the paid access. So I've just added in, obviously they need to just purchase that product here, and I've added in that product onto the one-time offer upsell page. Just here. So there's 2 scenarios that I'm testing that neither are working. So if I just open this up, go through the process here, just testing that form here. So this will go to the upsell page. So if in scenario 1 I just want to opt in for the free training and not buy the upsell, I'll go here. No thanks, I don't want this now. Now you can see that now it tries to add it to the into my basket and takes me to the upsell page, which if you have a look at this page here, you have this link set up as the no link. So I don't know why, but when I click the no link, it's taking me through and adding that to my basket. So that's the first error that I'm running into. So let's assume that I do want to purchase it, so I do want to buy it. This is scenario 2. So I purchase it, I go through. This is in test mode, so I'll use the test card, and I'm getting a missing purchase. So that's my second error. So I don't know why that's happening there. So if you could please take a look at it, and I've had a couple of other errors as well when I was testing it before, but now that I made those changes, I can't even get to the confirmation page. But the confirmation page, basically, if I did purchase it, it was taking me through to the membership area, but only giving me access to the Tripwire page, the Tripwire product, so the restricted product, and not the 2 lessons, which. Yeah, and let's try this as it's suggested in the support document. Open up the membership area, create an account, just as a test. So I do get access to both there, but I shouldn't get access to both because I've not purchased this. So I don't know what's going on there. If you could let me know where I'm going wrong. There's a few little errors there with the product's not updating properly. I can't go through and just access the free area if I only want to access the free area, and obviously the actual product is not even updating if I do want to purchase it. So if you could take a look at it, let me know what I've got wrong there. That would be great. Thank you.